In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Sheets open to a certain tab, ensuring that whenever you or someone else accesses that sheet, it starts at the exact tab you want. This is a handy trick for focusing attention or managing large spreadsheets efficiently. Let's begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you haven't already, navigate to your Google Drive and select the specific sheet you want this feature applied to. Now, once that sheet is open, pay attention to the address bar at the top of your browser. This URL is the key to customizing which tab your Google Sheet opens to. Next, we're going to copy this URL. This URL contains a unique identifier that tells your browser and Google Sheets which document you're working on. So click on the address bar to highlight the entire URL. You can then either right-click and select Copy, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac. Now, open a new browser tab. This can be done by clicking the plus sign next to your existing tab, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T on a PC or Command+T on a Mac. In this new tab, we're going to paste the URL you just copied. Click into the address bar once more, and use either right-click to select Paste, or press Ctrl+V if you're on a PC, or Command+V if you're using a Mac. Once you've pasted the URL, before you hit Enter, let's make a minor yet crucial adjustment to the URL to set the specific tab you want to open every time. At the end of the URL, you will see a section that says GID. Each tab within your Google Sheet has its own unique GID number. You need to replace the existing GID value in the URL with the GID of the tab you wish to automatically open. If you aren't sure what the GID is for your desired tab, simply switch to that tab within the original Google Sheets file and observe that the GID number in the URL changes. Make note of this number. After replacing the GID number in your copied URL with the one you noted, press Enter on your keyboard. The browser should now redirect you to your Google Sheet, opening directly to your specified tab. This is the full sequence to ensure that anyone accessing your Google Sheet from the new URL link lands on the exact tab you've designated. It's a simple yet powerful tool to enhance the focus and efficiency of your spreadsheet navigation. Now you're all set to share this streamlined and organized Google Sheet with colleagues or friends, directing them exactly where you need their attention. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for all your Google Sheets endeavors. Keep exploring these small yet impactful features that can make a big difference in your workflow.